To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first, then together if needed. First, let's dive into statement 1. We'll go ahead and take a look at statement 1 over here, just for room. And we're told that the refund given represents $2,240, and the percentage would be divided by 3,200, which would be the cost of the original tuition cost. So finding out this percentage, we can simplify and cancel the zeros and just keep reducing them as much as possible. We'll end up getting 0.7. And if we write this as a percentage, this is 70%. Now, this is the cost, or this is the refund for canceling the class between September 8th and September 14th. If we look at the table here, we have the percent of tuition refunded would be 70%, and this is right after September 8th, or September 7th, so anywhere from September 8th to September 14th, we would get 70% back. But even though we're within this range of time, the September 8th to the 14th, there's no further information to determine exactly which day the student canceled the class, since it could be anywhere between this range. This statement alone is not sufficient then, since we can't determine the actual day, which is what the question asks us for. So this statement alone is not sufficient. Now if we look at our answer choices, we can actually eliminate answer choice A and D. We're still left with answer choice B, C, or E, so we'll need to go ahead and determine whether statement 2 alone is going to be sufficient. So let's go ahead and let's clear our board for statement 2. Taking a look at statement 2, the given statement implies that the refund for canceling the class one day early is going to be 640 divided by the original cost of tuition, so 3,200. And if we simplify this, we can cancel the zeros and just keep canceling common terms. We'll end up with 0.2. In terms of percentages, this was 20% of the original tuition cost. From the table, we can see that a refund jump of 20% would have occurred the day after September 7th. So that would actually be September 8th. So this means that the student actually canceled on September 8th. Now, since the question asks us on what day did the student cancel, and we actually have a definitive day, we can say that this statement alone is sufficient. This is enough to actually find the exact day that the student canceled. So if we look at our answer choices, we can eliminate answer choice C and E. And our final answer choice would be choice B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient, but statement 1 alone is not sufficient.